What is going on YouTube? Welcome back yet to another video. And today I'm super excited because I got the DJI RSC2 here and I'm going to be unboxing it and giving you my first impressions. And if you've been following me in, since last year, I've been using the RSC, the original one. So this is the second generation. I'm super excited to try it out. And there's a ton of new features. And before I even start the unboxing, let me show you outside, because here in Toronto we got a crazy snowstorm last night and the whole street, everything's filled with snow, which is pretty crazy. But without further ado, let's get started. All right, so here it is. This is the DJI RSC2. The box is pretty minimalistic. This is the Pro Combo, so you get the Raven Eye and a couple of other things I'll talk about later in this video. But other than that, the box is pretty minimalistic, and let's get started with the unboxing. Hopefully I don't mess it up this time like I did with the PS5. Yeah, there we go. Okay. There's tape. I gotta take this off too. Oh. Sorry. Oh, you just gotta peel it. Fail. See, there we go. I already failed. There's an arrow to peel it. There you go, like that. And let's open it. I can open it. Let me just lay it flat. There we go. Nice foam covering. I guess we'll pull this out like that. All right, so let's move on with the unboxing. There's just foam packaging. Take it out. And you're greeted with this carrying case. So this is in particularly just for the Pro Combo. The regular non-Pro Combo does not get a carrying case for it. So I'll point that out. It's a manual, quick start guide. No one's really gonna read because I already know how this works. And it's a pretty nice case actually. It's not that heavy. It has a nice little zipper. I guess to put other stuff inside. It's much better than the foam case from the last generation. I didn't like it that much because it's just too big. Let's see what is in this. Oh, okay. Just to fix the angle. And as soon as I opened it, you can see there's the tripod legs. These are metal. So with the Pro Combo, they come in metal instead of just hard plastic, which is nice. This is the new plate. Let's see if you could, yeah, there we go. That the RSC2 has, and it's much better than the original one in my opinion, because now I could use the same plate for my tripod, and you don't have to keep switching back and forth. And let's see what else we have. This is a little phone holder for the Raven Eye. I'll talk more about that in a bit. And what else do we have? And yeah, this is the focus motor. So you could use it for basically zooming in or for focusing your lens, which is super useful. And again, it only comes in the Pro Combo. Let me just put everything back. Right here, there's a couple of other things. This is the Raven Eye transmitter. Basically, this allows you to get video transmission from your camera to your smartphone, and which is one of the main reasons why I did upgrade, because this is super useful. And it takes USB-C and HDMI, I guess, to plug it into your to the gimbal itself. Let's see if it's focusing. Yeah, there we go. And what else do we have? A couple Allen screws, and just little screwdrivers and stuff. And that is it for this zipper. And over here we got, I guess this is the, yeah, this is for the focus motor to attach to the lens. And we got, what is this? It's all for the focus motor and to attach stuff together. So I'm not gonna bore you with that. Let's get to the main thing, the main event. Let me close this. Let's open this. Boom. More wrap, and here it is, the RSC2. And I like the case a lot. It's much nicer than the first generation. And there it is. Wow, it's pretty compact. So I guess you just unlock, dock. I'll figure that out. What else do you get? Get a bunch of wires, a whole ton there to plug in your camera and whatnot. And over here, again, a bunch of wires. I'm not gonna take them out, but you get the point. A bunch of wires for plugging stuff in. And yeah, that is pretty much it in terms of the unboxing. Yeah, that's, from my understanding, you just have to unlock and twist or turn. It's a lot of resistance actually, which is good. And then just kind of lock it up again. And that's it. And then screw in the tripod legs like that. Boom. There we have it. It feels lighter, even though it's actually a little heavier than the original. But it feels nice. The grip is nice. It has a 1-inch screen. You can see right there. So you could choose all your modes, your settings, everything on that screen now, which is super cool. The joystick's a little changed as well. And overall, it feels more robust and feels a lot better. It has the focus dial built in, so you don't have to attach on the side anymore. And everything else just feels more robust. The locks feel more robust as well. You unlock the arms. And yeah, first impressions is it's really nice. I like it. Everything plugs in at the bottom now with the USB-C, which is super convenient. Because the last one, you would have to kind of wire around the gimbal and everything, and it looked really messy. So it's gonna be really exciting to use. All right, let me set it up now. I just realized that I cannot show you guys how the camera looks on top of this stabilizer because I'm using the camera to record this video. But if you guys want to see how it looks and footage, please let me know in the comment section below. That is pretty much it for the unboxing, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please hit that like button. If you're new here, of course, subscribe for more content. And I got a super exciting video coming up, probably next week or the week after. I picked up my first drone, so I'm super excited to show you guys footage of that. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace.